Okay, so we are going to use models to show 2 and 2/3 times 3 and 1/2. The first thing we're going to do is have 2 and 3/3 or 2/3 3 times. So I'm going to get my marker and I'm going to do 2 and 2/3 3 times. So here would be 1, 2, and then a third or 2/3. I'm going to do the same thing again. We have 1 whole, 2 wholes, and then 2/3. And then I'm going to do the same thing again because we have 2 and 2/3 3 whole times. So I have another whole, and then 2/3. So now it's time to focus on the 1/2. I want 2 and 2/3, but I only want half of that. So if I have 2 and 2/3, let's color that in again. Let's see what 2 and 2/3 would look like. But we only want it half. When I look at this, I can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. So if we divide those in half, that means I would have 4 pieces instead of 8. So I would have this one, this one, this one, and this one. So let's count how many thirds. And remember all of these that I colored earlier, we're going to use those because that's 2 and 2/3. And we had it 3 times. And then down here we just took it half of a time. So instead of a whole time. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 thirds. And that is an improper fraction that we could simplify and change. If we counted all of our wholes, we could see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can make this one go here to make a complete 8. And then one of these here to make 9. So it'd be 9 and 1/3 left over. Or we could say 3 can be divided into 28 9 times because 3 times 9 is 27 and there's 1 left over. Now if we followed the traditional standard algorithm and worked it out and we made these mixed numbers or improper fractions first, we'll see if we get the same answer. So we have 2 and 2/3. I'm going to turn that into an improper fraction. I have 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 more is 8/3 times, and then we have 3 and 1/2. So 3 times 2 is 6 and 1 more is 7 halves. So I could turn those into these fractions like this and multiply straight across. The thing that I can also do is simplify first by using the commutative property and changing the order, because when you multiply things in different order it still stays the same. So you can see I put my 2 over here and I know that 8 divided by 2 is 4. So basically I'm multiplying times 4 over 7/3. So you can see that it's much easier than coming up with 56 6 like if we had multiplied the other way. So if I multiply across I get 28 thirds, which again can be simplified and shown as 9 and 1/3.